Okay, so we start. Now, first we want to understand that vector consists of magnitude and direction. Okay, magnitude and direction. Now, just for the start, let's intro about vector. What do you recall about vector in physics? Acceleration, good. Displacement, good. So let's talk about displacement. Write down displacement and distance. So I zoom in. So I say, if let's say I have a person, this is 0. This red man, he walks 3 meters, right? So the distance is 3. Displacement is 3 meters, right? But if I say this blue man walks 3 meters here, the distance is still 3, but the displacement is -3. So this -3 actually means direction, because by right there is no such thing as -3 meter. I can't take a ruler and measure -3. So the -3 actually just want to tell us which direction did he go. So we say magnitude and direction. Now the magnitude actually means number. It's a very pretty name for number. How big, how small is it? The direction usually is indicated by the negative sign. Alright? So if I say going up is plus, going down is minus. If I say going right is plus, going left is minus. So it's just a direction. Is it something like graph? Yes, you can see like positive x and negative x, right? Positive y and negative y. Okay? So then we start. So we start properly. We say that a scalar is a quantity with magnitude. So this word is magnitude. So an example will be distance, right? Then the other one, the vector will consist both magnitude and direction. Of course, the example will be displacement. Now if I want you to give more example, what will you give for distance? Is scalar speed. Vector velocity. Okay, so you get an idea lah. Basically just get an idea. Now, so vector from point A, starting point A, terminal point B is denoted as, so this is how we write AB with an arrow. So everyone write down AB with an arrow, a bold A, or a A with a curly underscore. Now I zoom in a bit. This is usually what you will write. This is usually what you will write. This is usually what you don't write, because it's not possible for you to draw a bold A unless you draw the A and then you color it a few times. But in exam, all the 3 may appear, so you know that they are all talking about the same thing. Okay? Now the magnitude is denoted by AB arrow with the modulus. Okay? So this modulus means magnitude, and sometimes we call don't use distance, sometimes we call the word length. This is not modulus, not modulus. Maybe I try to explain this part in the next example. Tita, are you taking down? Yeah. Okay. Alright. So we say that vector can be, so AB, a vector, can be expressed as a column vector. So today we are going to learn column vector And column vector, the name suggests column. Column means vertical. Alright, so this is my vertical column or vertical vector. So usually column vector is expressed as in a number and a number. Alright, a number and a number. So it says that x is the number of units move in a positive x direction. Now, maybe we try and write down A as in A, B as in. So I want you to write down on the diagram A as a starting point, B as the ending point. So how do I denote this AB? So usually I'll draw an arrow and then I'll write AB. Okay, so this is how I denote the vector. Now, let me try. If I say AB, okay, focus your attention here at the length part, at the column vector part. So now you want to learn how to write column vector. The first number is the number of units moved in the positive x direction. How many units is that? 1, right? So you put 1. Understand why 1? Because from A to the horizontal direction, it's moving 1 unit. Oh, very muffled. If I lower the volume, is it better? Hello. Okay, better? I'm not feeling well. I cannot raise my volume. I try not to shout. Better? Better. Okay, now I talk about the vertical, the Y. That means how many steps do I walk to B? So it's 2, right? So this is 2. Now, why 2? So, okay, can I zoom into this diagram? Now, Zoo is at A. Zoo wants to go to B. So, you need to give direction, but the direction cannot be go 60 degrees upwards. So the only way is to tell him how many units must he walk along the x-axis. The answer is 1. Why 1 is here? Can you follow? So this is the 1. So this is the 1 unit. Why 2 unit? Because I need to walk upwards. So this is the 2. How do I see the 2? This one giant box is 1. This one giant box is 2. Can you follow? This one giant box is 1. So 1 then 2. Can you follow? So far okay, Now, if I draw 2 lines like that, what does this line means? I want to find what? Start with L. The length. So if I want to find the length of AB, I can make use of the column vector that I learned in terms of Pythagoras theorem. Look at this triangle again. I want to find this length. This will have a right angle triangle. And my right angle triangle, I know is A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Right? So it's something like C squared equals to A squared plus B squared. What is the A squared? 1 squared. What is the B squared? 2 squared. And how do I find C? Square root 1 squared plus 2 squared. So it's basically the same idea, but instead of writing A squared, B squared and C squared, I will write square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared. Can you follow so far? So far okay, So from here, then you square root and then you get the answer, right? What's the answer? 2.24. 1 more SF or 3 SF? Oh, that's fine. So this will be units. So far okay? Okay. Now, so back on the diagram, Can you help me draw a point here and put C, a point here and draw D? and help me calculate the vector, the magnitude of CD. Calculate the magnitude of CD. Okay, maybe you write the vector of CD and then you calculate the magnitude of CD. Hello? Where is C? Where is D? C is a point on the graph, and D is a point on the graph as well. So I have CD. Is this the same answer? Okay, so it's the same answer. Okay, it's the same answer. So 1, 2, and over here is still 1 square plus 2 square. And this is still 2.24. Huh? 2y. Okay, is there a 2y? Answer is no. So this number 2 just represents the number of vertical units. So in this case, if I walk 1, means I'll walk start from here, right? I'll walk 1. Then here I walk from the x. From the 0. 1, 2. Cannot. The exit B is here. Again, understand? So now we got a valid question. So can I say move 2 unit here? Cannot. If I move 2 unit, I will not reach B. I will start from the C. So C to D. So C is a starting point, D is an ending point. So C I move 1, then I move up 1, 2. Alright? Now, do you see that? Okay, now I want you to observe things. Now, first I want you all to circle this AB and circle this CD. Now, look at AB and CD. Are they the same? They are the same, right? Mastura? Mas. So, there is something unique about vectors. Vector says this: as long as my horizontal vector component and the vertical component is the same, they are equal. Alright, even though these two lines look like they start from different points. A starts at origin, C starts at some other point. But why are these two the same? Two conditions: if they are the same magnitude and the same direction. Okay, so far? So, is it the same direction? Yes, because C to D, right? It's the same direction. Same magnitude, again, over here is shown. So, same magnitude. So, two vectors are equal when they have the same magnitude and direction. Okay, Okay, so far so good. Alright, now let's try the next one. It says CD. CD. Wow, a lot of people come. Okay? Okay. Now Zul is at C. Alright? If I want to go to D, how do I give instruction? I must say how many distance I need to move along the X direction. What's the answer? 1 minus 13. 13 minus 1. So you will say. Huh? 212. Is it correct? 12.7. Is it correct?
12.5.
Any more answer? Huh? So what you are trying to do is that you are trying to tell Zoo how to move from C to D. So Zoo is here. How many horizontal unit must I move? Horizontal from 1 all the way to 30. 12, right? So what you can do is you can draw like a horizontal line. This is 12 unit. So this is correct, this is correct. Now, after you say 12 means Zoo will start here. How can he move so that he can go home? Go up or down? Up. Up by how many units? 5. So this is 5. So this is 5. So which one is the correct one? This one. So this is the correct answer. This is wrong, this is wrong. So far okay? Can Okay, I stop the video here. Can you try and do the CD and tell me how many you need? And complete DC and tell me what's the unit as well. What happened? Something happened downstairs. Finish the page. Okay. I will continue this part the next lesson, which is tomorrow. So tomorrow bring your